Welcome to our comprehensive guide on starting a profitable Instagram theme page. In this video, we'll walk you through each crucial step to help you create a successful page that not only attracts followers but also generates income. What you'll learn. 1. Identify your niche. Start by choosing a niche that you are passionate about and that has an audience. Research trending topics such as travel, fashion, fitness, or food. Use tools like Google Trends or Instagram's Explore page to see what's popular. Make sure your niche is specific enough to stand out but broad enough to have a sizable audience. 2. Create a captivating profile. Your Instagram profile is your first impression. Choose a memorable username that reflects your niche. Write a compelling bio that tells visitors what your page is about and includes a call to action, like following or visiting a link. Don't forget to use a clear, professional profile picture that aligns with your theme. 3. Content strategy. Develop a consistent content strategy. Decide on the types of posts you'll create, such as images, videos, stories, or reels. Use a content calendar to plan and schedule your posts. Focus on high-quality visuals and engaging captions that encourage interaction. Remember to use relevant hashtags to increase your reach. 4. Build engagement. Interact with your followers regularly. Respond to comments and direct messages and engage with other accounts in your niche. Consider hosting giveaways or collaborating with other creators to expand your reach. Use Instagram stories and polls to keep your audience engaged and invested in your content. 5. Grow your following. Promote your Instagram page on other social media platforms and through relevant online communities. By following these detailed steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a profitable Instagram theme page. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth tips on social media success. Join our community and let's grow together.